Hello and welcome to Punch Clock Editing Hours. First step we'd go to would be go to the Punch Clock tab. Now normally the only person that can edit hours, administrator can edit everybody's hours. If you would like certain individuals, trusted employees to edit hours, I refer you to the admin setup under user, because on the user page you can actually select right down here at the bottom, employee hour edit permissions. You can select a key employee to actually either edit their own hours, everybody's hours, all employees' hours, or just that site's hours, just so you know that. Also, one more thing I'd like to point out on the users page, and again, this is all, if you go back and listen to the admin setup under users, you can control how early somebody can punch in and how late somebody could punch out. But for more detail, just go to admin under users. So let's go back now to Punch Clock, and you'd select employee hours to edit the hours. In this case, it's going to default to my name. So if I want to edit my hours, say for this example, I punched in at 3:53, really, say I forgot to punch in this morning, and I really came in at 9 o'clock. So I would select the edit pencil. It's going to pre-fill all the fields over on this side, and from here I'm just going to go ahead and delete out and put in 0900, and then to change it from PM to AM I just select the A. If I want to put it back to PM, I just select the P. I go back to the A, and I can select my employee position, everything. I could type a description, say I would just say worked on client files today, and I hit log hours. Okay, so now I just went ahead and logged the hours. I put my description in there too, and that was just editing it. So I have 9 a.m. to 3:50, and it's going to calculate the hours here. I could, as the administrator, I can edit anybody's hours, and as I just showed you, if you want a user to edit anybody's hours, this drop down would be available to show all employees. If you're not an administrator, you're just a preparer, and you don't have the ability to edit hours, you're just going to see your own name here, and you will not see anybody else's hours. But say if I want to go into Deborah's, and I want to go back to last week, or even go back to, I believe I can go back to last 6 months, I can edit anybody's hours here. I could delete, and all this is tracked too. If I make any changes, let me go back to my file here. I'll refresh it. Select on my edit pencil. It'll show who modified it, last modified by, and also I can run the report, my management report audit trail. It'll show me who has made changes to the punch clock. So if you think anybody's making changes, it shouldn't be making changes, you can catch them, and it'll show up in the management report audit trail. But that's all I have regarding the punch clock and editing hours. Thank you. The next section we will talk about how to log billable hours for client time and billing. Thank you.